Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to iron police uniform pants. Place the pants on a flat board and smooth with your hands, then dampen key areas with a spray bottle. Set your iron to the fabric setting on wool or cotton and let it heat fully. Start with the waistband and pockets, then move to seams and creases, using a pressing cloth over badges and emblems to avoid shine and protect fabric. Place one pant leg flat and ensure the side seams line up for a crisp crease, holding fabric taut with your free hand. Use the iron with medium pressure and brief steam bursts, working top to bottom in overlapping strokes. Pause to let the fabric cool slightly to set the crease, then repeat on the other leg for a match. Keep movements deliberate and avoid dragging the iron over badges or sewn details. After creasing, turn the pants right side out and carefully press hems and waistband with the iron tip for crisp edges. Smooth pockets and any small areas using a pressing cloth to avoid shine, and handle patches gently. Once satisfied, hang the pants on a sturdy hanger and allow them to cool fully before folding or wearing. Proper hanging preserves the new crease and keeps your uniform looking sharp during the day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.